Before you believe anything, and I mean anything, you need to ask one simple question. Are you ready for it? The question is, says who? We live in a world where everyone's shouting opinions and posting facts and trying to convince you of something, from influencers online to teachers, coaches, and even friends. And when you're young, well, it's easy to think they must know more than me. But here's the truth. Not everyone who talks like an expert actually is one. The danger of believing lies, half-truths, or flat-out nonsense just because someone said it with confidence. When I was younger, I believed the rumors. It was just natural. If somebody said it, I thought, well, it had to be true, right? I wasted energy worried about what people thought instead of asking, who said that? And why should I trust them? Now I can tell you, asking that one question would have saved me a lot of stress. Why? Why does this question matter? What does it do? Well, when you ask, says who, you stop blind trust and you start using your own brain. I mean, if it's a random kid in the hallway, maybe not worth believing. Or if it's someone with a history of lying or exaggerating, like, why are you giving their words power? And even if it's an adult, this includes teachers, parents, coaches, me included, you still have the right to critically think before you accept it as truth. So how is this related to my recipe for confidence? Grit plus moxie plus critical thinking. Well, grit is the courage to question, even if everyone else is nodding along. And then that moxie is not letting someone's opinion shake you up when the facts just don't add up. And of course, my favorite ingredient, critical thinking, that separates the truth from the noise. And that's how you build confidence that actually lasts. Too many people repeat garbage without ever asking where it came from. Don't be one of them. Smart girls don't swallow every truth served to them. They taste it, test it, and they decide for themselves. I mean, that is one of the reasons I wrote my book, Mixed or Rise, a girl's recipe for confidence that grows with her. It teaches you not just how to grow grit and moxie, but how to use critical thinking to question the world around you. And then my workbook, that gives you space to actually practice, to write it out, reflect, and strengthen that says who muscle. So my challenge for you is simple. The next time someone says something that is just shocking or stings or even flatters you, I want you to pause. Don't react. Just ask yourself, says who? You'll be surprised how much power that one question gives you. Because, see, confidence isn't believing everything you hear. It's knowing how to separate the real from the fake and the helpful from the harmful. And it starts with the little words, says who?